Before that, please watch the video. After that, we will discuss about multiples. Okay?
Mathematics is all about relationships between numbers. And there are countless relationships to learn about. Two important ones to learn about are factors and multiples. Let's start with factors. Factors are numbers that can be multiplied together to get a product. You might be confused by what that actually means, but never fear. Once you see it in action, it will all make sense. Let's take the number 6. This will be our product. What can we multiply together to get 6? Your first answer might be 1 and 6. And you've been right. 1 multiplied by 6 equals 6. This means that 1 and 6 are both factors of 6. Can you think of any other numbers that we can multiply together to get 6? Exactly, 2 and 3. 2 multiplied by 3 equals 6. There are no other numbers that we can multiply together to get 6. So that means the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Are you starting to see what factors are now? Let's try another, slightly bigger number. Can you think of the factors of 24? 1 multiplied by 24 equals, well, 24. 2 multiplied by 12 equals 24. 3 multiplied by 8 equals 24 too. And 4 multiplied by 6 equals 24 as well. This means that 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24 are all factors of 24. Here are some facts about factors to help you with your calculations. A factor will always be smaller than, or equal to, the product itself. Factors of a number will always include 1 and the product. These will always be its smallest and largest factors. And the division of a product by any of its factors will always give you a whole number, no remainders. Now that you've got an idea of what factors are, what do you think multiples might be? Multiples are the products we get after we multiply a number by another. Let's show an example so you can understand this a little better. Using the number 4 again, let's multiply it. 4 multiplied by 1 equals 4. 4 multiplied by 2 equals 8. 4 multiplied by 3 equals 12. All of these answers, 4, 8 and 12, are multiples of 4. You can apply this concept to all numbers. Any answer you get when you multiply one number by another is a multiple. Now it's your turn to see how many factors and multiples you can find for different numbers. How do you multiply them?
You got some idea about multiples, isn't it? Multiple means what? It contains many more a number, isn't it? For example, 2 multiples you know. Second table here is 2 one time. How much it will come? 2. Then 2 times, how many it will come? 4. Then 2 3 times 6, isn't it? Then 2 4 times 8. So 2 multiples are what? Multiples of 2 is 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. Multiples of 2 equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, then 10, 12, etc. Isn't it? Numbers are multiples of 2. Isn't it? Like that we can use number 3. 3 Then third table, sorry, 2 times 6 it will become, isn't it? 3 2 times. Then 3 times 9. 3 4 times 12. Now 3 5 times 15. Now these numbers are multiples of 3. Okay. So it contains many more units of a number. Okay. Multiple means it contains many more units of a number. Okay. It will not finish. Again you can say, right? 3 5. Now 3 times 6 are how much? 18. Then 3 times 7 are 21. Then next number is 24, 27, etc. It will go, isn't it? It is unlimited. Understand? That is multiple. Now if I am saying the number 10, 10 multiples you know how to write. How you can write 10 multiples? 10, then 20, then 30, then 40, etc. Isn't it? Then for example, if I am saying that 15 multiples. 15 multiples are 15, first number, 1 time, then 2 times how much will come? 30, 15, 30, then 45, then 60, etc. Multiples of 15. So multiples of 100. How we can write? 100, then 200, then 300, etc. Do you understand now multiples? Next is facts about multiples. Okay, facts about multiples. The first fact is each number is a multiple of itself. The first fact is what? Each number is a multiple of itself. That means 1 into 5. 1 into 5 is, what is the answer? 5 only. Any number if you are multiplied by 1, what we will get? We will get the number itself. Isn't it? That is the first fact. Each number is a multiple of itself. That means 1 into 25 equal to 25 only. Do you understand the first fact? The second fact is every number is a multiple of 1. The first multiple of a number is the number itself. For example, 3 into 1. What is the answer? The number itself, isn't it? That is 3 only. That is the fact. Every number is a multiple of 1. The first multiple of a number is the first multiple of a number is a number itself. If you are multiplying 22 into 1, what we will get? We will get 22 only. The number itself. The first fact is each number is a multiple of itself. That means same number only we will get. The second fact, every number is a multiple of 1. If you are multiplied by 1, the first multiple of a number is the number itself. Then the third one, a multiple is a product of two numbers. For example, 8. Okay, 8. This number you can get it which two numbers product. We are getting 8. Two numbers, the two numbers are 2 times 4. So we are getting the two numbers, right? 2 into 4 equal to, the product is 8. Understand? That is the third fact. A multiple is a product of two numbers. Then the last one, multiples of any number are countless. There is no last multiples of a number. That means countless means, for example, 3 multiples. Now we can write the 3 multiples. Now the numbers, the first multiple is 3, second one 6, then third one 9, then fourth one 12, then 15, then it will go. It is endless. Understand? That is the fourth fact. The multiples of any number are countless. It is countless. There is no last multiple of a number. If you are taking any number, we cannot get the last number. Okay, it is countless. Unlimited. Okay, understand? See here, write the first 5 multiples of the following. We are going to write the first 5 multiples. Okay, here the 5 multiples. The first multiple is 5, isn't it? Then second 10, then 15, then 20, then 25. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is first 5 multiples. Okay, 5, 10, 15, 20, Then the second question 12. The first multiply is what? 12. Isn't it? Then second time, how much will come? 24. Then 36. Then 48. Isn't it? 36, then 48, then 60. Isn't it? Then next question. Here also we are getting 5 multiples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Next 25 multiples. The first multiple is 25. Second time 50. Then 75. Fourth multiple is what? 100. Then fifth 125. Understand? Now how do you know how to find the multiples? See next question. Find out if 48 is a multiple of 12. How we can find it? 48 is the multiple of 12. What we have to do? We have to divide. If you are divide 48 divided by 12, if you are not getting the remainder means that number is multiple of 12. Okay, you can check it. Okay, 48 divided by 12. Divide it. 48 divided by 12. How many times 48 will come? One time 12, second time 24, third time 36, fourth time 48, right? 4 times 12 is 48. So here we are getting 0. Now 48 is the multiple of 12. Understand? Now 48 is the multiple of 12. The number 32 divided by 5. Now you check this. 32 is the multiple of 5. Now you can check. 32 divided by 5. 5 how many times it will come? 6 times, isn't it? 6 times 5 is 30. Here minus 2 minus 0 is 2. Here 0. We are getting here 2, isn't it? So remainder is 2. Now this 32 is not a multiple of 5. Now do you understand? So 32 is not a multiple of 5, but here 48 is multiple of 12, isn't it? See here next question is 26 a multiple of 4. Check it. 26 divided by 4. 26 divided by 4. 4 how many times? 5 times 4 is 20. 6 times 4 is 24. 7 times 4 is 28 will come, right? So 6 times 4 is 24. Subtract 6 minus 4 is 2. So here we are getting remainder. So 6 divided by 4, we are getting the remainder. So remainder is 2. Now the quotient is 6, isn't it? So now this 26 is not a multiple of 4. Understand? 26 is not a multiple of 4. But 24 means that is 24 is a multiple of 4 only, isn't it? But here we are getting remainder. Remainder is how much? 2. Understand? So now you know the multiples of the numbers. Then how to find the multiples also. Now your homework is page number 103. Page number 103. Exercise 6.1. 6.1. 3 questions are there. Please try to complete this exercise. If you have any doubt, please contact me. Okay, children.